there. Renovations have begun. Well, we are here at our future facility, and we've already gotten some demolition done, as you can see. And over there, we've been having a lot of fun with the sledgehammer, but we've gotten some insulation done, and actually this entire weekend, today's Friday, the Friday before Christmas actually, we have friends and family coming over, and we are going to demolish and just work on a lot of projects this weekend. We're going to take down this entire wall, possibly another wall in the back. We're going to take down all of the fake wood paneling along the sides, take down all these shelves. We have a lot of work ahead of us. I will give you an update tomorrow, and we'll see what all we can get done. Oh no! Who is it? I don't want any Girl Scout cookies. Go away.
So you have a hammer. What'd you find?
A nail.
Let's go put it in place.
Okay. Look. That nail, I think, needs to be taken care of.
Yeah, that's a hazard. I think you need to take care of it.
There.
Perfection.
Woo! It's down!
Yay!
Ooh, taking down paneling. How's it going, Vicky?
Good.
Ed, I think that nail needs to be taken care of.
All right.
Looks good.
I think that board is crooked.
The board's crooked?
Yep.
All right, let me take care of that. Okay, one more time. Let's take care of it.
Much better.
It's gone.
Oh, I found it. It's right there. It's still attached to the drywall.
Is it crooked on the floor?
Nope, it's straight now.
Perfect.
In this room, we are tearing down the shelving units. We have my awesome stepdad, Phil, and my mom. Even my grandpa is helping out. Okay, Grandpa.
Ready?
Go for it. Nice. All right. Are you having fun, Dad?
Absolutely.
Thanks for helping.
Absolutely, honey.
This is the worst thing so far today to disassemble. These shelving units. They are terrible. All right. Nice. We made a new door. Do you think you could like throw and catapult that sledgehammer up there?
Like Thor throw it?
Yeah.
I could try.
God of lightning, go Thor! Whoa!
What do we do now? What do you think will happen if I yank this off the wall?
I don't know. Huh.
That falls down.
Let's see what happens. Where did it go?
It's over by that insulation.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Thor's mighty hammer.
Okay.
Someone else should go first.
Okay.
Allie, go first.
Okay, Allie. Gonna feel it out. Let's see this.
Oh, God.
You can do this. Nice!
Go, Jenna.
Go, Jenna. Nice! That's awesome. All right, Krista.
It's not gonna go well.
You can so I'm hearing some massive noises this way. What is going on? Oh my gosh. You all have your own station. Ah! That's awesome. Hey,
Hi.
we destroyed the wall.
See that?
Look at, we just played.
It is officially the beginning of day 3. And on the gate this morning, we found a note from a fan who found the building based on the first video we released. So that's cool. Shout out to Ryan. Okay, now we're working on revamping these old PetSmart enclosures to look like this. They're gonna look so cool. Woo, painting party. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Well, the weekend is finally over, and thanks to our amazing family and friends, whoever's watching this who helped us out this weekend, thank you so much. We got so much done. We can't believe it. We are in the classroom, and in this room, we're just gonna walk through the whole building and show you what we did. In this room, we took down the stage. It is completely gone. Ed and Danae and Simon took care of all of that. And out here, we have, it's a little hazy because of the sheetrock, but look, as you can see, the entire walls that were surrounding our breeder room are gone. They're completely gone. We decided not to have these walls. We're just gonna keep it open because we can essentially build walls with the racks that we have. So the racks will still be in this room and it'll just leave a more open concept. Oh, and we got rid of the wall here too.
Yeah.
Didn't do anything in that room.
Nothing in there.
For the future rodent breeding room, we just cleared it out. And now the contractors, when they start their work, they can easily build in a ventilation system through the ceiling. So since we're breeding rodents in here, we want to push out any potential odors. And in the zoo, we completely changed this room. Check it out. It's made almost a 180. This entire wall is gone. This was a storage hallway with big shelving units. It's all gone, thanks to my mom and Phil, or my mom and stepdad took care of the shelving units. You know, I would list off all the names, but it's
Gonna be ridiculous.
It's everybody in our family and our
Yeah.
friends list helped out. So you know who you are. Thank you so much. So over here, we ripped up the carpet. That's completely gone. We discovered we have a drain. Look, we have a drain in the floor. How great is that? That's gonna come in handy. That was a fun find. And there's also a second drain over where Rex's room will be. It's just plugged up with something. So we'll see if we can use that. Over here, the wall is gone. This is the one that I kind of tumbled through. That was kind of fun. But the entire thing is gone thanks to our family and friends. And now we can have that new wall built about right here. So we're really expanding the zoo. And if you look at these enclosures, we've worked on these too. These are the old, okay, I'll say it, these are old PetSmart enclosures. And they used to look like this, and now they look like this. We have Snake Discovery colors. These are the panels we still have to finish up, and we're gonna accent with the dark green from our logo, so they're not done yet, but they look so much better than they used to. There's the other half of it too. And our contractor is gonna take care of a lot of the rest, really.
Mm-hmm. Bathrooms, sprinklers.
Yeah, now we have everything
Floor.
open for the floors to be redone and the bathrooms to be remodeled. We just wanted to open things up so it's easier for the contractor. So that's kind of in a nutshell what we've been working on the last
3 days.
3 full
4 days.
about 72 hours worth it seems, with a little bit of sleep in between.
Yeah.
That much
Emphasis
work.
on little.
I'm sorry there weren't any reptiles in today's video, but I promise you there will be hundreds of reptiles in this building in the future thanks to our opportunity here. So I'd like to thank all of the Patreon supporters for helping make this possible. We love you guys. Thank you to all of you who are just watching today's video and this update. Again, I'm sorry there aren't any reptiles in it, but I hope you understand with all the noises and all the fumes, we can't have any animals in this building during renovation process. So we'll keep you posted on how future updates go. And one more time, I'd like to thank everybody who helped us these past 3 days to tear things down, to fix things, to load everything out into the dumpster. Thank you so much. You guys know who you are if you're watching this. We really, truly appreciate all of your help these last 3 days. So thank you again. And thank you again for those who are watching, and we'll see you next time. All right. Oh, there's like crap on my camera.
That doesn't surprise me. The camera took some abuse when we were doing the opener.
Can I get the camera?
Yeah, sure, here.
Oh, it's not gonna fit. Here, wait.
Woo! It's down!
Yay! And your glasses didn't break.
Yay!
I think this nail needs to be taken care of too.
Okay. Ah!
Close.
Yeah!
Again, close.
Nice. Looks good.
Graceful.
Ed, I think that nail needs to be taken care of.
All right.
We're terrible at this. I think that nail needs to be taken care of.
All right.
Oh!
Same thing. All right. We'll just move over to this side of the wall. There's no stud here, I think.
Well, we don't need this anymore.
All right. Bye.
What? Don't leave me up here.
I'm sorry, I giggled.
The bigger hammer?
Yes.
Oh, that's dangerous.
I was gonna fall down now.
I'll just throw this one.
Okay.